Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at how to transform a flat, boring landscape into a dramatic, cinematic storm scene using After Effects. Let's dive in. First, drop your raw footage onto the timeline and pre-compose it to keep the project clean. To build an atmospheric perspective, we need a depth map. We'll use the Depth Generator plugin by Red Giant. Apply it to the pre-comp. In the curve calculation settings, switch to Replace, open the presets, and select a linear graph. To avoid edge tearing and noise, go to Post-Processing, enable deflicker, and turn on smoothing. Now, export this as a high-res PNG sequence and render it out. Next, let's create the fog. Create a new solid layer and apply fractal noise. Lower the contrast, boost the scale, and animate the evolution property using a simple expression. Time multiplied by 150 to give the fog a natural, slow movement. Now, add the effect Set Matte to your fog layer. In the effect controls, set the source layer to our rendered depth map sequence and change the channel to luminance. Don't forget to check Invert Matte. As you can see, the fog naturally thickens in the distance, creating a realistic atmospheric haze. To fine-tune the depth, add a brightness and contrast effect to the depth map layer. Adjusting the brightness allows you to manually push the fog further into the scene or bring it closer. Finally, animate the fog scale slightly to match the camera's forward movement. To blend the fog seamlessly with the environment, select both the footage and the fog layers and apply Supercomp. Choose a suitable environmental preset, then tweak the angle and intensity of the light rays. This instantly stops the fog from looking like a flat 2D graphic and embeds it directly into the lighting of the original shot. Now for the main element, the rain. Temporarily solo your original mountain footage and run the 3D camera tracker. Select a solid cluster of tracking points on the mountain. Right-click and create a null object and a camera. Drop your rain footage onto the timeline. Change its blending mode to screen and parent it to the null object. Toggle the rain layer into a 3D layer. Don't worry if it shifts out of frame, simply reset its position, scale it up, and bring it to the foreground. Duplicate this layer 3 times and push each duplicate further back along the Z-axis to create depth. Offset the layer slightly on the timeline to desynchronize the rain patterns. To replicate real camera optics, we need to add camera blur. Apply a blur effect to the layers, but remember the rule of physical depth. The closest rain layer to the lens should be heavily blurred, while the background rain remains sharp. Tweak the Z-axis positioning until the parallax effect looks absolutely convincing. Now, to tie the whole environment together and add that final cinematic touch, let's inject some atmospheric rays. Apply the BCC Rays Puffy effect. Tweak the color, intensity, and ray length to match our moody environment. And position the center point in the sky, right above the mountains. This will make the light pass through the rain layers beautifully. To wrap things up, let's use the Atomic Stretch plugin to convert our video into a cinematic 21:9 aspect ratio. Add your final color grade, apply some film grain to glue all the visual elements together, and make your final adjustments. And here is our final result. If you found this workflow helpful, hit that subscribe button for more advanced VFX tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.